Mother me wrote a me no take back me chat. Shuffle the deck, me a the queen in a the park.
Welcome everyone, this is Family Man, your right hand man. This tutorial is on how you can animate any figure or object using this application called Stykz. Okay guys, if you want to download this application, please look at my video description below to get the download link or the website address. Okay, in this tutorial I would like to animate a Nigerian man who woke up in the afternoon from his afternoon sleep during this coronavirus lockdown. He started suspecting himself of having coronavirus. He now went and stood on the sun for 2 hours to see if he could get better, but he was not getting better. He now decided to take 2 cups of disinfectant and 1 bottle of chloroquine. Of course, he got better and he started jumping up. Okay guys, before I proceed, I must confess to you people that I used to feel so bad when I hear how people are dying all over the world, especially the Americans. How the Americans are dying. Those people are good people. They don't deserve to die that way. They are good. They are always at the forefront wherever there is any calamities or any diseases. They are always at the forefront. But look at the way they are dying. Anyway, God knows the best. All we can say is that may the soul of the dead rest in perfect peace. Okay guys, let's move on. Please don't even ask me how this man got to know the cure for coronavirus. Of course, he has been listening to Uncle Trump, to President Trump coronavirus briefing. I love President Trump. He gave his best to his people, and his best is actually working to some extent. He tried his best and his best is working. Okay guys, let's move on. Before we go on to animate this figure, I would like to brush up some things. At the top left hand corner here we have file. When you open file, you see new, open, save as, and so on and so forth. And when you are done with your animation, just come here to export animation to save, to export your animated figure as a MP4 or any file format you want. So, and next to it we have edit, where you can do, undo, and so forth. And next to it we have figure. If you want to insert any figure, just come to this place, you click on the figure that you want to insert and it will be inserted. Let's assume you want to insert cycle, you click on cycle, you see, look at it here. You can delete it. And after that we have arrange. You can use this arrange to rearrange your object. You can bring the one that is at the last, you can bring it to the front, and the one in the front you can take it to the back. We also have view here. With this view you can change how the interface here is looking. You can change it. Let's assume you go to this preview mode. You see the rest of the windows have disappeared. When you go to edit mode, they will appear again. We also have windows here. With these windows you can remove any window here. You can remove any box here that you want to remove, or any window you want to remove. You can come here, you can click on any of it and remove, and that is it. We also have drawing tool here. Look at it here. We have drawing tool here where you can pick any tool that you want and continue to draw. Here we have the library, where if you want to import any object or any figure from the Stykz library, you can come here, you click on this icon. When you click on this icon, you can go to desktop and look at it and check for the Stykz folder. When you open it, when you click on it, it will open, and you look for the place that the figures are. Look at here. Let's assume we want to import stairs. You just click on it and you click on import. Look at it here. We have imported it. So after that, we also have the play button here, where you can use to check, where you can click and play to see how the animated figure is working. Now we can delete this one, and before we go on, let me show you how you can draw. Look at the drawing tool here. You can go here, Let's assume you want to draw a human being. You can go here. You first of all pick a circle to draw the head. You pick a circle to draw the head. Then to draw the head, then you can go here, pick another tool and continue drawing. You see, this is how you draw. Look at the legs. Look at the legs. So make sure they are connected. Make sure they are connected. Look at the hand. So this is how you actually draw with this application. So look at it. You have drawn a human being, and we can, if you want to move it around, you click on this yellow dot to move it around. Let's delete it. Now let's start to animate this figure or character. Let's import figure. Okay, look at figure here. That look at a human being that we have imported. Okay, let's just draw something like a house. Okay, maybe it just came out from his house like this. It just came out from his house. Okay, and here is the sun. We just draw a sun like this. Okay, and this man, we can decide to give him food. Can decide to give him food to make it look more real, and let's carry it to this place. Let's also draw the ground or the floor where he is walking. So look at the floor where he is walking. Okay, he just woke up in the afternoon, and look at him here. He just woke up in the afternoon, and look at him. But he was still under the roof, and the sun was not getting much to him. So look at him here. He just woke up in the afternoon. He now raised his hand up, one of his hand up, and he raised the other one up too, and he did a little warm up, and another warm up, and he now say no, I'm not feeling okay. Okay, he now started walking to go to the sun. He now started walking to go to the sun. So that's how he was walking. So now that he go to the sun, where the sun can shine on him very well, that's where he stood for 2 good hours. That's where he stood for good 2 hours. He now decided to warm up again. Warm up again. And of course, no, he was not still feeling good. He was not feeling as he used to feel. And he now decided to he now decided to move to a place where he could see some disinfectant, to a place where he could see some disinfectant to drink. So now just move to a place where he could see some disinfectant to drink. As you can see, he's moving. So when he reached to the place, he now bent down. He now bent down and and took the disinfectant and drank. So after he might drank the disinfectant, he now decided to check himself again. And he discovered that after drinking the 2 cups of disinfectant and 1 bottle of chloroquine, that he has gotten better, and he started jumping up. He was celebrating. He was actually celebrating that this thing is actually working, that our president is actually trying a lot. So that is actually how you can animate. So here you can reduce the speed or the fastness of the character that you have animated. Now let's see what we have here, what we have done. Look at here. When you click here, it will play. Let's see how it's going to be. You see, that is how you can animate using Stykz. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you are in, say we are family. Thank you.